In this video I will show you how to flatten a board without a planer. All you need is a table saw and a very simple jig. To make the jig you will need two very straight boards, in which you have to cut many circles. At the moment I don't have good material here, so only for demonstration I will use these scrap boards from which I have cut circles. Then you have to make special wooden clamps. Cut two pieces of wood about 15 centimeters long. Drill two holes in each piece. Then you have to make the knobs of the clamps. I cut a few circles and put these special nuts on them. These are all parts of the clamp. After assembling, the clamp looks a bit like a toy car. Adjust the saw blade to appear only 1 mm above the table. It's very important to be no more than that, because it's very dangerous. This is the board that I will flatten. You can see that it's quite curved, and also the surface is dirty and rough. To flatten the board, simply place it between the two boards with the holes. Then tighten all the boards with the clamps we made. It's important to place the clamps in the holes and not in the outside of the boards. Start the machine and slide the boards on the table. See how the blade removes material from some places. Depending on the board, you may need to pass several times. Don't lift the blade, instead release the clamps and press the board down. Then tighten them again and make second pass. This is the final result. The board is quite straight, even I used scrap materials, but the surface is not very smooth. With a little sanding it will become perfect. I hope this video and this idea should be useful for you and for your projects. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see my biggest project, click here.